Hi everyone, I'm so glad you joined me today. We're making a delicious birthday cupcake card. Now you can download this digital stamp for free on my website. I also have some coloring tutorials that you could follow along for some tips and tricks on how to color those cupcakes. I thought we'd make a really fun background for our cupcakes. So I'm using the Altenew Artist Grade half pan set. It comes in this really pretty tin. It's a metal tin. I do have this available in the shop. I'll have the link in the description box for you. So I'm going to take some clean water and get my paper wet before we add some paint. So the colors that I'm using are Green Hill, Summer Afternoon, Red Sunset. I just go back and forth with these three colors, just dropping in the color. I find if you do 2 layers, if you let your first layer dry and then do a second layer, your background's going to look a lot more vibrant. And that's the look I was going for. If you wanted a more softer watercolored look, 1 layer would be enough. I find making backgrounds like this is so much fun. It's like creating a little masterpiece. That's why I love card making. You get the satisfaction like right away versus a big art piece that might take days to do. The card is just going to take you a couple hours at the most. So here's where I decided I wanted 2 layers. So I'm just layering up the colors, kind of overlapping them, and this is where I'm going to get a nice vibrant background. I'm using a sentiment from a Sunny Studio stamp set. I'm using the Happy Birthday. I'm going to heat emboss that with white on some black cardstock. I thought the black would really pop off the vibrant background, and I really love how it turns out. I'll go ahead and trim this down into a strip so I can add that to my card with some foam tape. There's my background all dried and ready to go. So let's add some adhesive to the back and add this on an A2 sized folding card base. So I decided I wanted to mute the background just a little bit with some white gouache. So I'm going to do some fun techniques here. I'm going to water down the gouache just a little bit, and I'll get my paintbrush out and do a little bit of splattering. And I wanted to make a little like ring, so I just take my paintbrush and do a little circle, and then I'll do some splatters and some ink smooshing straight from the acrylic block, and I think it turned out really cool. Since I knew I was popping up the sentiment with foam tape, I decided to glue my cupcakes directly onto the card base. That way there's no additional bulk, because I am mailing this card out. Otherwise, I would have popped up the cupcakes as well. I love dimension on my cards. So now I'm breaking out the sequins. It's a birthday card, I had to have more sparkle. So I'm gonna pick out some colors and sprinkle them around the card. Also take out my Spectrum Noir glitter pen and put some glitter on the frosting on that green cupcake. And that will complete my card. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Take care everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!